doing a photo shoot with my friend Christine today after class. It'll be fun. I haven't seen Christine in like a year, so it should be good. And we're going to be exploring the greenhouses because, well, it's raining outside today and it's freezing cold, so we're gonna go into the greenhouses and hide. Okay, cool, let's go. So we found a parrot. We've been trying to find him and we finally found him. And we can't even get to him because the doors are all locked. What the heck?
God.
Oh man, look at him. He's dancing for us. Okay, we found the people and they let us into the parrot room and we're super happy now.
I'm taking my hood off.
What to say though?
The parrot was wonderful.
We're happy we found our parrot.
And turtles. I'm being really awkward right now.
Yeah, that was fun. Thanks, Christine, for hanging out with me and talking photography and film. It was so fun. We got to get together and you got to make me some pesto and some homemade Chick-fil-A sauce. Okay?